Here's what the tips are. They are basic modifications to tools to make this job go a little bit more easily. Modification number 1 is going to be for one of the 6mm Allen bolts that holds the crossover pipe in. This connection is the pipe that goes underneath your main crankshaft and goes to the other side of your engine block. When you try to remove these bolts, what you find is that this top one is very snug up against your crank pulley, and there is not very much room. And so what I did is I took a normal Allen key and I shortened this piece of it. So this piece normally would have stuck out to here, and I just chopped it down, and you can sneak this in here. And it does take some time to work it back and forth manually as opposed to a ratchet, but shortening this will make it very easy to get in there. The second modification is on a 13mm deep well socket. If we were to number our mounting nuts or our mounting bolts clockwise, starting from the top as 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 is super easy. It's easy to see and easy to remove. Number 2, this is also sitting behind your crankshaft pulley. So there's not much clearance, there's not much space to get in there. What you do is you take a 13mm deep well socket and just cut off a little bit. And that's going to give you the correct amount of space to sneak that in there with your ratchet and give you just enough space that you can pull that out. And the third modification is also for one of the mounting nuts. So again, if we do our numbers 1, 2, 3, you can see that this hole is very close to this casting. There's not much space to get your socket in there. And so I took my standard 13mm and I just took the grinder to it and shaved off a little bit all the way around. And that gives you just enough clearance to set that socket in there and be able to spin it. The fourth step, was a little bit clickbaity. The fourth step is just to relax, take a breath, go step by step, and you will get through it.